This is how you can hide your phone number on Telegram. If you're a return subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. Launch Telegram on your mobile device, be it Android or iPhone. On your profile, tap on the three lines at the top left-hand corner, which is the hamburger menu. Select Settings. Next is to select your privacy and security. Tap on phone number. You can see mine. My phone number privacy is set to my contacts. We are about to change this. Who can see my phone number? Make sure this is set to nobody. With this, your number will be hidden on Telegram. So check this box. Once this is selected, the next option is who can find me by my number. Make sure you set this also to my contacts. With this, it will prevent bots and anyone from finding you on Telegram just by using your phone number. Select my contacts. Next is to add exceptions. Is there any individual phone user you want to have access to your phone number? If there is, you can add them here. Select the people you want to have access to your phone number. If you don't want anyone to have access to your phone number, you can leave it just like so. Thanks for watching. This is how you can hide your phone number on Telegram. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.